Audi R8 repair prices. Audi is a German automotive manufacturer of luxury vehicles headquartered in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany. As a subsidiary of its parent company, the Volkswagen Group, Audi produces vehicles in 9 production facilities worldwide. The 2018 Audi R8 is a high-performance sports car that offers an exhilarating driving experience and cutting-edge technology. Here are some key details about the 2018 Audi R8. Servicing your Audi R8 regularly is crucial to ensure its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some key maintenance tasks to consider. Regular oil changes. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on driving conditions and the type of oil used. Regular oil changes help keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly. Fluid checks and changes. Check and replace fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid as needed. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for the smooth operation of various vehicle systems. Tire maintenance. Rotate your tires regularly to promote even wear and extend tire life. Check tire pressure monthly and adjust as needed. Inspect tires for signs of wear or damage, and replace them if necessary. Brake inspection and maintenance. Inspect the brake system regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake lines. Replace worn brake components and flush the brake fluid as recommended. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter at regular intervals to ensure proper airflow and maintain interior air quality. Battery inspection. Check the battery regularly for signs of corrosion, leaks, or weak performance. Clean terminals and replace the battery if necessary to ensure reliable starting and electrical system operation. Suspension and steering maintenance. Inspect suspension components, such as shocks, struts, and control arms, for signs of wear or damage. Also, check the steering system for any abnormalities and address any issues promptly. Regular vehicle inspections. Schedule regular inspections of your Audi R8 to identify any potential issues early on and address them before they escalate into costly repairs. By staying proactive with maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can keep your Audi R8 running smoothly and enjoy its performance for years to come. Be sure to follow the recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual and consult with a qualified mechanic or dealership for any specific maintenance needs or concerns.